welcome back to my YouTube channel today. If you're seeing this for the very first time or you are a new subscriber, hello, my name is Judith Cecilia, but the channel name is Pretty Jucilia. I'm pretty, right? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can use the DETTOL antiseptic liquid to get rid of your pimples and acne, whether it's body acne or face acne. I'm here to tell you how to use that to get rid of it in 3 days. Sounds impossible, right? But that's true and it's possible. So let's get this started. Okay, so guys, before we start, I know you really want us to start, but calm down. Subscribe. Have you done that? Turn on your notification bell just so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so let's move straight to today's business. Ta-da! So guys, we all know DETTOL that it is an antiseptic, antifungal and antibacterial. So in general, we all basically use it in our bathing water to take our bath. Yeah, that's the major thing we do with it. But another thing you can do with this DETTOL antiseptic is that you can use it to get rid of your acne really fast. Trust me, let me tell you something. It is not going to give you any glowing skin. It is not going to give you a smooth, flawless skin. Instead, it will speed up the process of curing this acne. Okay, it will help speed up the process to get rid of your acne and your pimples. I'm not saying this from the medical side or from a professional side. I'm just saying it based on my experience with it and research that I have done online. Okay, if you want to use it, or before you start using it, please do a patch test. Yes, make sure you do a patch test and know whether it's going to be compatible with your skin or it is not going to be. Okay, also try to contact your dermatologist if you are new to all this kind of thing. Consult a dermatologist, it is important. Okay, guys, so disclaimer aside, let's start this video. How you are going to use this, like how I used mine, was that I got a cap, a disposable cap, this thing right here. We all know it. Some used to come with syrups. Don't use normal DETTOL on your face without diluting it, because it has this active ingredient that is known as chloroxylenol, which is very bad. Like, it can burn the skin. So please always dilute it before using it on your face. Okay, or even though if you can't dilute it, just add it into your bathing water and use it to wash your face. It is still going to do the work. So guys, get this, weigh, measure like 2.5 ml, which is half of this 5 ml right here. Half of this 5 ml is 2.5 ml. Weigh this and add it into a 100 ml container. Make up the container, the 100 ml container that contains 2.5 ml of your DETTOL antiseptic in it, and make it up with normal water, a very clean water. Please make sure the water is very clean. And after doing that, shake up the mixture and use it the same way you use your toner. After taking your shower, after cleansing your face, dry your face or let your face air dry, whichever method you are using. Just dry your face. After that, the same way you go in with your toner is the same way you are going to go in with this DETTOL. Okay, use this DETTOL, add it in your cotton pad, like add some quantity of it in your cotton pad and use it to cleanse your face. Wipe your face very well with the DETTOL antiseptic. Make sure you wipe all parts of your face, especially those places that you have acne or you are breaking out a lot. Apply it there and let it sit on your skin. If your skin can tolerate it for 10 minutes, then let it stay for 10 minutes. If not, just let it sit on your skin for 5 minutes and then you wash it off. Please listen to what I said. Wash it off. Do not leave it on your skin overnight for whatsoever reason, or else we are very sure that your skin is compatible with that, your skin is okay with it, then you are your own, you did it on yourself. But for me, I will advise you to use it on your skin maximum 10 minutes. After washing it off, please do not go on with any BHA or AHA, or else it is going to burn your skin. So if you don't want to burn your skin in the process of treating your skin, then listen to what I'm saying. Okay, I beg you, do not go in with any AHA. In fact, don't even go in with any harsh exfoliant, okay? Both before using this product and after using it. Don't stress your face. Make sure you are using this product on a face that is calm and relaxed. Do not stress your face before you. Don't go and scrub your face. Do this one so that when you use it, it will penetrate well. Please do not do it. It is not advisable. Do not do it, okay? Okay, so after doing that, when you must have washed it off, please make sure you have a very rich moisturizer, a face cream that is very rich in moisturizing the skin, or you have a hydrating essence, then you can use it. So you either go in with your essence or you go in with your very rich moisturizing face cream. Use it on your face and go to bed. This is what I did. Use it exactly this way that I just told you, and trust me, in 3 days your skin is going to get cleared. And let me tell you something, please do not use this undiluted on your face. Always dilute it the way I just mentioned. If you want to use 5 ml of DETTOL, please go with 200 ml of water, okay? So please, let's do this, and trust me, you are going to see a great difference, okay? It is going to help, like it will really help fasten up the healing of those bacteria and fungi that causes acne and pimples on the face, okay? Okay guys, so guys, that is it for this video. I hope I was able to help someone that is thinking about, should I use DETTOL on my face or should I not use this? I hope I just answered your question. And if you know you are going to be trying this process, if you know you are going to be trying out this little tip that I just dropped on this, so let me know in the comment section. Or if you have tried this out before, let me also know in the comment section. And if you tried it out and it worked for you or it didn't work for you, please come back to this video. Let's have a chat in the comment section below. You might be helping a sister or a brother that is looking for a solution in the comment section below, okay? Okay guys, so guys, that's basically it for this video. We have come to the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, you guys should stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. Mwah! Bye.